Ihieng Kaselehlie mango monai pantola. Men kasamo koaros mabangkat tapachonan program which witar puen sawase sarin Pohnpei memiminana merka memen akis esela akis tuan lokayan Pohnpei. Wasahkan koaros mesote itar a renakatin kaitarala Kalahngan. Welcome to lesson number 4, Pohnpeian Verbs. The second aspect we are looking at today is the habitual aspect. It is used to describe action that is typical or regular or usual. Aspect marker, the word that is used is kin, K-I-N. Similarly to the unrealized, it is used right before the verb. So kin, and it describes habitual action. It can be used to describe something that happened a long time ago, something that is happening right now, or something that is happening in the future. Kin school omine mas. I went to school in Omine a long time ago. Or Ihieng tatak Balikar. I work in Balikar. That's happening now. Or I will. So one example that I've borrowed from the grammar book is Sangan so skola from now on. I ban kin kang rice. I will eat rice. So from now on, I will do as a usual activity, I will eat rice. But notice that the ban is in there. I ban kin kang rice. So that's when you'll have those two aspect markers together. Kin, habitual, used in the past, used in the present, and when you use it to indicate something going forward, you'll add ban in front of it. Ban kin. That is the unrealized habitual aspect. So take those, please find a native Pohnpeian speaker to practice with and to bounce the ideas around and to use some example sentences and see how that helps you in your studies going forward. And we'll see you soon for our next aspects in Pohnpeian verbs. Kalahngan o Kaselehlie.